In Diwali 2025, Riya, Kabir, Chinu, and their dog Coco prepared for the festival. Their homes sparkled with marigold garlands and fairy lights. They cleaned, dressed in new kurtas and saris, and made diyas and paper lanterns. The family gathered for a Lakshmi Ganesha prayer, with Aarti and blessings. Chinu sneakily ate laddus, and Grandma teased Kabir. Uncle Ravi hummed a tune. As evening came, the courtyard glowed with Diyas. The kids enjoyed light fireworks safely, while Coco rested comfortably. They shared sweets with the guard and delivery worker, donating to share the light. The night ended with a family photo under a sky lantern. The message: this Diwali, let love, care, and light be the loudest.